Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study about the another conditional statement which is switch. So far we have discussed about the if statement, if else statement and if else statement. Now let's discuss about the switch statement. We can use this statement to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. Here, this is the syntax of switch statement. Here n is the expression. First switch is a keyword, then an expression is to be evaluated and get the value of this expression, then check this value n against each case label. If match is found, then that particular code will be executed. It means if n is equal to label 1, then this code will be executed. Then break to break the switch statement. Same way, if n is equal to label 2, then that code will be executed. And here we have default keyword. If n is different from label 1 and label 2, it means there is no match found, then this default code will be executed. Let's see the example. Here this is the example for switch. Here value 1 is assigned to variable x. Switch, then expression. Here variable x is expression, it means it is value 1. Here case 1. So here in first case the value is matched, so this case will be executed. Let's see the output. Number 1. Now let's change the value here. Number 3. Save the program. Refresh our browser. It's number 3. Let's change it again. Number 5. Refresh the browser. No number between 1 and 3. It means here default block is executed.